The 2022 World Internet Conference Wuzhen Summit is underway here in Wuzhen, East China's Zhejiang province. The ancient river town of Wuzhen has a history of more than 1,300 years. Renowned for its extensive network of rivers and traditional water town architecture, Wuzhen has now become a hub for cutting-edge internet technology. Follow me and let's know more about this internet town.